Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make this crispy and crunchy hash browns. So let's get into the video. The first thing we need is potatoes. I have taken 5 medium-sized potatoes and 1 large potato. Make sure potatoes are really hard. We don't need any softened potatoes. So now we are going to grate the potatoes. Make sure your water is cold. This way grate all the potatoes. Now I have grated all the potatoes. You can see the water is really cloudy. It's because it's full of starch. You have to wash these potatoes 3 to 4 times till you find the water is clean. Now we are going to transfer our potatoes into another bowl of cold water. And you have to wash them really well. After a long process, we got the starch-free potatoes. So the next step is, you have to take all these potatoes and put on the cotton cloth. Now we have to pick up the cotton cloth and give them a nice squeeze, just to take all the excessive water out. Take another bowl and put these potatoes. We need these potatoes to be dry and there should be no water in it. Now I'm going to add butter to the pan over medium-high flame. Now I'm going to put the potatoes in and fry them for over 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to transfer these potatoes in a bowl and leave it cool. Now it's time to add the ingredients. So I have taken small onions and chopped them into small cubes. So now we have to take 2 cloves of garlic and I have finely chopped them. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper and half tablespoon of chili powder and add required amount of salt. So now for binding all of them, I have taken 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of maida. So now we have to mix all of them really well. I have mixed them really well. So now it's time to make those shapes. So I'm making a round and a rectangle shape. You have to not make them too thick, not too thin. You have to make them in a medium size. This is how we make. So let's make rest of them. So now we are going to add oil to the pan. Make sure the flame is around medium-high. Make sure you are frying them in a medium flame. So now you can see the potatoes are fried really well and it's really brown and crispy in outside. So now take them out and serve it. Do the rest of them in the same way. Make sure the flame is around medium-high. And this is how we make this crunchy and crispy hash browns. I hope you like it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and comment, and see you at the next video.